So guys, welcome. Today we're gonna brew the perfect cup of coffee, and it can be done in an extremely simple way. First and foremost, we're gonna use some very good coffee beans. This time it's the Lion Rock, coffee from Peru, Brazil and Nicaragua, the perfect blend, medium roast. We're gonna use a grinder, because when we grind it on demand, we'll get the best result and all the flavors. We're gonna use a little filter, the drip filter, and we're gonna use a glass, cold water and hot water, of course. Step number 1 is to grind the coffee. We're gonna use approximately 30 grams of coffee for half a liter, 60 grams for 1 liter. And then you can adjust it, plus, minus, if you want a mild or a stronger cup of coffee. We'll just moist the filter a bit for a better result and a better run through. Then we're gonna add the coffee in the filter and place it on top of the cup. As we pour the water, it should be 94 or 95 degrees, just below the boiling point. In that way we avoid to burn the coffee. And then you have a steady pour going in circles, and then you will see the coffee blooming. It's growing, and you can really see all the taste will extract in this process. It's quite beautiful. Now you just let it drip, and at the end you have the perfect drip filter coffee from O-Town Coffee. Check it out on oneclicktobeauty.com, where we also have other coffee options, and we'll ship it straight to Hong Kong. I really hope you like it. Bye bye guys. Perfect.